Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. We're getting into that time of year where it's starting to get tough for you at home. You're letting me know. Customers are coming into our greenhouses and they're like, Scott, what am I doing? And yeah, we're over that honeymoon phase where, I did the hard work of growing thousands of hanging baskets and all these plants behind us, and yeah, we're getting to the end of our season and we've handed off those hanging baskets or those plants and flowers, and now you have to care for them. It's starting to get tough, and we know that. You're letting us know. Lots of people are asking questions. This is the one thing that you can do for success. It's a big topic. I'm going to try to simplify it, but that is consistent care. Our flowers look like they do because we have consistent care. We're dedicated. We're not just flippant about our flowers, and it shows. And when you are flippant about your flowers, that will also show. If you're in the mindset of, the flowers are just the last thing on my mind, it's going to show. So the people who have the most beautiful flowers on the block are the ones that take time, and they put the time and effort into those flowers. It's not by chance. They weren't just born with a green thumb. It doesn't work that way. Everybody starts off with a brown thumb. It takes some time, and it takes a willing student to learn how to grow, their flowers or their gardens or whatever. And it takes some time, and it takes some effort. Spending money on a hanging basket doesn't buy you a green thumb. You have to take some time, and when we drill right down to it, it's consistent care, and it's that daily care. And a lot of times I just, hey, if you were going to go out and spend $2,000 on a puppy, would you put the time and effort into that puppy, or would you just be like, oh, okay, here puppy, there's some food and water, I'll be back in a week? It doesn't work that way, right? And these are live plants and flowers, and it just doesn't work that way. If we're not going to care for them, they're not going to look like they should. So consistent daily care is really where your mindset needs to be, and that is going to get you into that success category, and that's what we want for you. And we've done the hard work. We have literally hundreds of how-to videos on our YouTube channel, and as professionals, we're giving that advice, and it's all there. So lots of people are like, hey, do you have a video on this or that, or watering or soil or fertilizing or trimming back my petunias? And the answer is yes, 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 and yes. There's hundreds of how-to videos, so that information is there. So be sure to check out those videos, and it's free advice. Take it or leave it. We've given it to you. It's for you to grasp that information, that education from a professional standpoint, and to watch it and to learn and work on that green thumb. So consistent daily care is really so important, and it's this big topic, and there's so many facets to it. The daily watering, or if the plants need it. So many people try to paint me into a corner, and they're like, Scott, okay, now just exactly how much water do I give this hanging basket? Do I water it daily? And my answer is whatever it needs. Well, no, it's just, Scott, just tell me exactly. Well, it's sunny today, so I can't tell you an exact amount because yesterday it was kind of cold and rainy, and today it's going to be sunny and hot. The weather changes, so that amount has to change. I can't tell you exactly because that is going to be a target that is moving around, and I can't tell you put 1 quart into this hanging basket every single day, because one day it might be correct, but out of 30 days in the month, the other 29 days, I would be wrong by telling you that. So it's that consistent daily care, and really, if the flowers are the last thing on your mind, I get it. Everybody's working hard and coming home, and maybe their flowers are the last thing on their mind. But don't expect your flowers to look like a showpiece in your yard and have that beautiful curb appeal if your flowers are the last thing in mind. So really, it's that consistent daily care, getting in that mindset of, I'm going to put the time and effort into my flowers, and it will show. You know, that's it. It's no secret. We let people know that all the time. Is hey, yeah, don't spend hundreds of dollars on hanging baskets and then just I'm just going to hang them up and not care for them. I hope you can take that to heart and implement that for this year and have the absolutely most beautiful flowers on the block. And we want to help you with that. So if you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, and go to our YouTube channel, and we have hundreds of how-to videos there. And then you can head on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website where we have our tips and our tricks and blog articles, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.